Weddings, wakes, and funerals. I just rolled in from Newfoundland, Signal Hill, howling wind and sea. Dark black rum and fishing boats, the wolf is always at your throat, sadly. I dreamed one night of an old dance hall, the fiddler played, the prompter called proudly. But it ended in a fearful brawl. The old man said, "That's it, that's all," loudly. Found myself on a dead-end road, struggling with one heavy load in tow. When I saw him dancing in the wind, I knew right then that it must have been the ghost of Charlie Joe. Everybody dance. I drifted off to a county cell, sweet songbirds and wedding bells ringing. Then I rose to a funeral scene, long black veils and limousines shining.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
One thing that I do know, you'll have your fill before you go.